Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, offers numerous benefits for reducing stress. When we're stressed, our minds tend to race, jumping from past regrets to future worries. Mindfulness helps us to focus our attention on the present, allowing us to let go of negative thoughts and emotions. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to respond to stress in a more balanced and effective way, reducing its impact on our well-being. Body-scan meditation is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you become more aware of your physical sensations and reduce stress. By bringing your attention to each part of your body in turn, you can release tension and promote relaxation. When you're feeling stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, which can lead to muscle tension, shallow breathing, and a racing heart rate. Body-scan meditation helps to counteract these physical effects of stress by teaching you to focus on relaxation and release tension. Mindful breathing is a simple yet effective technique that can help you to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. When you're feeling stressed or anxious, your breath becomes shallow and rapid. Mindful breathing involves focusing on your breath and taking slow, deep breaths. This helps to slow your heart rate, reduce muscle tension, and bring your mind to a state of calm. By practicing mindful breathing regularly, you can learn to manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Thought observation is a mindfulness technique that involves observing your thoughts without judgment. When you're stressed, your mind is often filled with negative thoughts that can make you feel anxious and overwhelmed. Thought observation helps you to take a step back from your thoughts and see them for what they are, just thoughts. By observing your thoughts without getting caught up in them, you can learn to let them go and reduce their power over you. Gratitude practice is a simple yet powerful way to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. When you focus on the positive aspects of your life, you're more likely to feel happy and content, and less likely to dwell on negative thoughts and experiences. Gratitude practice can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to write down things you're grateful for, or simply taking some time to reflect on the good things in your life. By practicing gratitude regularly, you can train your brain to focus on the positive, which can lead to reduced stress and increased happiness. Mindful communication is a way of communicating that is based on mindfulness and non-judgment. When you communicate mindfully, you pay attention to your own thoughts and feelings, as well as the thoughts and feelings of others. You strive to communicate in a way that is clear, respectful, and compassionate. Mindful communication can help to avoid misunderstandings and conflicts, and can lead to more positive and productive relationships. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help you to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can learn to focus on the present moment, let go of negative thoughts and emotions, and respond to stress in a more balanced and effective way. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life is simple and can be done in a variety of ways. Here are a few tips to get you started. Take a few minutes each day to meditate. Meditation is a great way to practice mindfulness and focus on the present moment. There are many different types of meditation, so find one that works for you and stick with it. Practice mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is a simple but effective way to reduce stress and calm your mind. When you feel stressed, take a few deep breaths and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings. When you notice yourself getting caught up in negative thoughts or emotions, take a step back and observe them without judgment. Just notice what you're thinking and feeling, and let the thoughts and emotions pass without getting caught up in them. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful way to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Take some time each day to focus on the things you're grateful for, big and small. Write them down in a journal, or simply take a few minutes to reflect on them.